Welcome to FPL Kitchen Basics. This week we're going to be learning how to make a simple grilled cheese. For step 1, you're going to want to use room temperature butter to butter one side of 2 different pieces of bread. You want to use room temperature so that it's easier to spread. For step 2, turn on your stovetop to a medium-low heat. Now we're on to step 3. Once your pan is heated up, you're going to want to place one slice of bread, butter side down on the pan. Then place as much cheese as you want on top of that. And finally, place your second slice of cheese, butter side up, on top of the whole thing. Every so often you should use your spatula to check on the underside to make sure it's browning, but it's not burnt. Once it's perfect, just flip it over to do the other side. Once both sides are golden brown, use your spatula to move the sandwich to a plate, and then, and this is very important, cut the sandwich diagonally from corner to corner. Once your sandwich is cut, make a nice wedge in the middle so that you can put whatever chips or pickles or whatever other snacks you'd like in between.